Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and smash that like button. Today, I'm going to make an airplane in origami. Let's get started! First, start with the back side up. Fold horizontally in half. Then unfold it. Now, fold the sides to the center line. Now, flip the model and fold it in half. Now, fold the sides 2 times to the center line. Now flip it and do the same for the other side. There, a wonderful airplane! There's my wonderful aeroplane! It looks so cool! Thank you for watching! Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye!